Hello, I'm standing here at the new Temporary Care Center in Central Pierce County. We are working to get this vacant hotel ready to welcome people impacted by the coronavirus. Thanks to the collaboration of several partners, residents who need a safe place to stay while they're in isolation and those who've been quarantined can come here. And to learn more about that, here's Dr. Anthony Chen of the Tacoma-Pierce County Health Department to tell us more about the guests who will receive care.
This care center is one of the strategies we're using in Pierce County so fewer people get sick. We have an obligation to provide appropriate facilities so that those who are ill do not spread the disease to others in our community, or what we call flatten the curve. So who will stay here? Pierce County residents who cannot stay in their own homes to stay away from other people so they don't spread the disease. What's the difference between quarantine and isolation? Quarantine is for people exposed to COVID-19. We assess them, and we don't want them to be spreading the disease to other people in case they do get sick. Isolation is for people who have tested positive and are sick with the virus. We don't want them to get other people sick, and these people probably don't need hospital care. We just need a place for them to recover and get better. And to tell you more about what our guests can expect when they arrive at the care center is Tacoma Mayor Victoria Woodards.
The guests at the care center won't be driving here. They will be arriving in buses provided by our partners at Pierce Transit. To register at this facility, a guest will need a referral form from a physician, the health department, or first responders. When they get to these doors, they will be checked in, their vital signs will be taken, and they will be shown to their room, and that's where they'll stay. It's very similar to checking into the hotel, but a bit different. One of the big differences will be a special laundry bag. Our guests' laundry will be washed, but we want to make sure that the staff is protected from the virus. So the laundry goes into this dissolvable bag, and the staff never touches it until after it's been washed and sanitized. That's just one of the innovations that we are using at the care center. Since this is a former hotel, you probably have an idea of what the rooms look like, but let's take a look. This is one of the rooms that will be home for the guest. They won't be able to bring their cat or dog with them, but you'll be glad to know that we've made plans to make sure their pets are cared for, so guests will have one less worry. So no dogs or cats, but they will have free Wi-Fi, lots of movies on the TV, and a clean place to rest and recover. Guests will have 3 meals a day delivered directly to their rooms, and their temperature will be taken at least twice a day. In fact, we will have 24-hour care from nurses who will live at the center. We'll also have 24-hour security, and Sergeant Trent Stevens of the Sheriff's Department will tell you more about that.
It's our job to make sure that everyone at the care center is safe and secure. Not only the staff and our guests, but also the neighbors that live nearby. I should point out that we are only accepting adults at the care center. No children will be staying here. The entire facility is fenced, and we have guards at the only entrance. So what if someone decides to leave before they finish their quarantine? Well, we'll certainly do our best to convince them to stay, but we cannot hold them against our will. We've also arranged for urgent access to an ambulance in case anyone needs the medical care beyond what is being provided here and must go to a local hospital.
Thanks, Sergeant Stevens. So there's a look at the new Temporary Care Center. It's opening soon, and I'm grateful to the many people who made it happen. My thanks to the City of Tacoma, the Health Department, our first responders, local hospitals, and the owner of this hotel. This is one of the many ways we are coming together and making sure that everyone in our community is taken care of. And I know that together we'll get through this. Thank you.